Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Silver Monkey Arago. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and after that you can click on your headphones in the device list and it will reconnect to your phone. Here we go. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So, press and hold power button to turn off your headphones. Here we go. And after that, press and hold power button to turn on your headphones. Here we go. And now we have connection again. Cool. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So, headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and now it enters to mode automatically after unpair, so just click on it at the device list, and again we have connection. If all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So, right here at the left ear cup we have this microphone button to mute and unmute the microphone, and press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now we should remove it, so click information icon, forget. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And now, again, after hard reset, it enters to pairing mode automatically. So we should see it at the device list, and we can see it right here. So click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!